Welcome back. Today, we're exploring how to create a modern, sustainable farmhouse. A home that blends traditional charm with eco-friendly choices. Farmhouse design has always been about warmth and comfort, but now, many homeowners are incorporating sustainable materials, energy-efficient lighting, and organic elements to make their spaces both beautiful and environmentally friendly. If you're looking for ways to update your home while keeping that cozy farmhouse feel, stay tuned. Let's get started. Here are some sustainable farmhouse decor ideas to refresh your home while staying true to classic farmhouse style. Reclaimed wood accent walls. Use salvaged wood for walls, headboards, or shelving. It adds character while reducing waste. Vintage and upcycled furniture. Instead of buying new, look for antique or second-hand pieces that add charm and history. Organic linen and cotton textiles. Opt for bedding, curtains, and tablecloths made from organic, non-toxic fabrics. Handmade clay or ceramic bases. Support local artisans by adding handcrafted pottery to your decor. Energy-efficient farmhouse lighting. Use LED Edison bulbs and lantern-style or rustic chandeliers to reduce energy consumption. Natural fiber rugs. Jute, wool, or seagrass rugs add warmth while being biodegradable and eco-friendly. Vintage glass or mason jar decor. Repurpose old jars as vases, storage, or candle holders for a sustainable touch. Eco-friendly paint and soft neutrals. Choose low VOC or natural paints in warm whites, taupe, and muted greens for a healthier home. Sustainable wooden dining table. Invest in a solid wood table made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood. Dried flower arrangements. Instead of fresh flowers, use dried florals like lavender, wheat, or eucalyptus for a long-lasting display. Solar-powered outdoor farmhouse lights. Add rustic solar lanterns to your porch or garden for an energy-efficient glow. Stone or brick fireplace with reclaimed materials. A reclaimed brick or stone fireplace brings warmth while reducing environmental impact. Woven baskets for storage. Replace plastic bins with hand-woven baskets made from sustainable fibers. Live edge wood shelving. Floating shelves made from live edge wood add a natural, rustic feel to any space. Minimalist farmhouse decor with fewer, meaningful pieces. Choose high-quality, timeless decor instead of cluttering your space with fast-fashion home items. Bringing sustainability into your farmhouse design doesn't mean sacrificing style. With thoughtful choices, like using reclaimed materials, energy-efficient lighting, and natural textures, you can create a cozy, timeless home that's both beautiful and eco-friendly. Which of these ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more farmhouse decor inspiration. See you next time.